Good evening.
Okay, may gusto ka bang sabihin sa ating mga audience?
Well, I would definitely like to say thank you to my manager, Naimami. Thank you so much for making me such a beautiful lady today. And to all the organizers tonight, thank you so much po.
Wow, thank you very much. Ano ba sa iyong hashtag?
Actually,
Wala kang choice.
I don't have choice. Laban na.
Okay, laban lang. Yan ang spirit. Ang iyong hashtag, pwede mong silipin. Ang hashtag mo sa gabing ito ay hashtag HIV Awareness. Your 45 seconds starts now.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, never ever humiliate other people that is suffering about HIV. Because I firmly believe that that is one of those relevant issues that we are facing. However, we should be aware on about A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A is for abstinence. B is be paper to your partner. C, use condom. D, don't use drugs. And letter E, educate yourself. And letter G, God has always been there. And be on top of this game, leave it at that. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Ang iyong hashtag ay... Oh, okay. Very interesting. Ang iyong hashtag ay hashtag political dynasty. 45 seconds starts now.
You know what, my dear panel board of judges, people are massively divided when it comes to their political opinion. But in my own authentic opinion about political dynasty, I think it is about time for us to eradicate this. Because this is one of the sole reason why people or poor people remains poor, rich people remains rich, and those corrupt politicians remains corrupt. Because it is about time that we give chances and opportunities for leaders who has fresh ideas, platforms, and credentials. Because today, we experience a lot of anomalies and corruption. And I think eradicating political dynasty will definitely pave the way for those
Thank you
leaders.
very
Thank
much.
you.
I just want to thank especially the audience for staying here kahit anong oras na po ay kayo pa rin po ay mainit tumanggap at sumusuporta sa aming lahat. Marami pong salamat.
Ayan. Kaya naman, I guess you're ready for your hashtag? Please pick one. Silipin mo saglit. At ang iyong hashtag ay isa pang timely issue. Hashtag fake news. 45 seconds starts now.
Hashtag fake news. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Me as an individual, as a beauty queen, I want to voice out, especially my platform, my social media, to share awareness that please have a 3 tips that know or eliminate fake news. First, know our share. Alamin natin ang mga bagay na sinishare natin, especially in online. Alam ba ay totoo, may katotohanan at may resibo. Manood tayo ng news sa ating mga TV because fake news is one of the important thing na kailangan nating resolbahan dahil kung ito'y maaalis, ang lahat ng negative things sa ating mundo ay maaalis. And always remember that
Thank you so
before you
much.
click. Thank you.
Candidate number... Bunot ni candidate number 7. You can take a look at it. Very timely. Hashtag cyberbullying. Your 45 seconds starts now.
Cyberbullying is very rampant nowadays in the day of age of digital spaces as arises and everyone has an easy access within the tip of their fingers. I want this to be a reminder to everyone that they need to think before we click. Because no matter how difficult it is to understand the emotion of other person behind those screens, we must always forge an emotional understanding and camaraderie for them to be able to be more confident. Hurtful words can kill. Suicide rates are completely increasing. If we take care of our emotional well-being, then definitely we could have a very
Thank you very much.
good evening.
Thank you very much, candidate.
My first time here, and I feel the warmth and the love of the people. I appreciate it all.
Thank you very much, candidate number 7. Now, the important question is, are you ready for your hashtag? iyong hashtag ay hashtag Women Empowerment. You have 45 seconds and it starts now.
Just in time for our month. If the first woman God has ever created, Eva, changed the world upside down, if Cleopatra ruled Egypt for 21 years, and if women who can read, who are seen outspoken and can use herbs to medicine are burned and called witches, it is proven history and history that women are powerful. It's just that patriarchy put limit to them. I believe that when it comes to women empowerment, feminism is not letting women do what a man can do, but rather letting a woman be what she wants to be. Because women should be two things. What she wants and what she wants to be.
Thank you. Interesting. Hashtag transparency.
Well, thank you so much for the very wonderful question. It is undeniable that here in our country, being transparent is the most crucial part in governing the society. Because as we all know, ladies and gentlemen, corruption are increases because of those corrupt leaders that govern our society. That is why I wanted to use this platform to tell each and everyone that transparency is the most important thing that we should have here in our world, especially in governing our society. Because I always believe that if we are transparent, we can create a world where lies will never ever foster. And in the rising of our country, no one will lag behind and we can make a better place to live in.
Wow, thank you very much. Hashtag flood control. Meron kang 45 seconds and your 45 seconds starts now.
This is the perfect time for us to think what is right and what is wrong. As an individual, we should think ethical and moral, and most especially what we call empathy. To those people who is there to lead us, we need to choose a person who will lead the country to have a better place to live in. I believe, as Gilbert Wright once said, I act, therefore I am. Meaning to say, as an individual, you should know what you are saying, doing to other people, therefore we can have a better nation to live in. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Showtime ay hashtag climate change. Ang hudyat? Ano yun? Ingay yun. Okay, ang iyong 45 seconds ay magsisimula now.
I believe that all of us and some of us abusing our planet or our Mother Earth. And the main reason of this comes down to the lack of governmental intervention. That's why I am an advocate of systematic reform or ang pagbabago ng sistema sa ating gobyerno. Because I believe that the effective implementation of policies anchors to the SDGs, the 17 SDG or the Sustainable Developmental Goals, as it is the basic foundation for us to have a prosperous community. Thank you.
Time's up. Thank you so much. Ang nabunot na hashtag ni candidate number 2 ay Artificial Intelligence, AI. Ready? Bigyan kita ng hudyat para magsimula and your timer starts now.
Well, as we know it today, the AI and the AI intelligence is progressing, and I feel like we need to separate that from our living. I feel like today we have used so much AI and we have caused water shortages, and we should be more thinking of what we should be doing to save the planet more. As we know it today, our government is saying that we have a couple of years left for our world and we need to fix that now. We need to stop with the pollution and make a change for not this generation but for the next generation to come, because we are the backbone, and I believe that Filipinos are very strong and we need to stand right now. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate. Ang hashtag na nabunot ni candidate number 1 ay oil price hike. Okay, magbibigay ako ng hudyat kapag magsisimula na ang oras mo para magsagot. And the timer starts now.
Now is not the time for our politicians to see their colors. Rather, it is the time for them to prioritize the Filipino people. Because we are suffering from the oil prices hike. Mapachuter man o ordinaryong Pilipino man, kaya ngayon ay kailangan natin ng tulong nila. Magsagawa sila ng lahat ng kanilang makakaya, especially with the resolutions that they can give so they can help with the ease of the problem of the Filipino people. It may be hard, but as they say, with great power comes with great responsibility. Thank you.
Ayan! Palakpakan